Welcome to What's New in Prolog Converge 8. This lesson provides an overview surrounding the new features in Prolog Converge 8 and may also touch on Prolog Manager 8 features as necessary. While not all detail regarding each individual change will be covered in this lesson, most of the major feature changes will be discussed. Likewise, only a general overview of the update or new feature will be covered. You may also choose to review the READMEs for Prolog 8 to get the full scope of all changes and also review the help system for Prolog 8 for detailed information of the change or new feature. It should be noted that Converge 8 requires Prolog Manager 8 in a technical sense, as well as the ability to take full advantage of new features only available in Prolog 8. The feature Quick Upload, for example, available in earlier versions of Prolog Converge, now implemented in Prolog Manager 8, wouldn't be an option in Prolog Manager unless you are running Prolog Manager 8. It should also be noted that to take advantage of most updates when upgrading from earlier versions of Prolog Converge, that the starter pack updates be applied. As with any upgrade, it is recommended that you back up your Prolog Converge and Prolog Manager databases prior to the upgrade. Starter pack changes. The following starter pack changes have been made. Project Documents has been relabeled to Project Files. Likewise, View Documents has been relabeled to View Files, and Search Documents has been relabeled to Search Files. The Attachments tabs on all data entry forms in Prolog Converge have been renamed to Files. The functionality, however, remains the same. Forms. The transmittals and correspondence and issues data entry forms have been added to Prolog Converge. Notifications. Several new notifications have been added to Prolog Converge. The report source files, XML, for all new notifications C1 report content are located in the report source folder under the Prolog Converge Administration Applications folder. For a list of new notifications added to the starter pack, please reference the Prolog Converge 8 README. A new view has been added under Project Administration Change Password that allows users to change their Prolog password. The Insight, Companies and Contacts views have been configured to include support for multiple portfolios. These views will now group by the portfolio name. Prolog Converge Enhance and Version Control File Management Options. The Prolog Converge file management system now includes a standard, enhanced, and version control option. Prolog Converge uses the standard file management system by default. The configuration of the file management system can be changed in the Prolog Converge admin tool under System, Portfolio Configuration. Those of you who have used document management in Prolog website may already be familiar with version control. For complete information on version control, please consult the Prolog Help System or view the lesson under Document Management in the Prolog website product courses on projectteamtraining.com. Please note, the Enhanced and Version Control File Management System options require Microsoft Silverlight 4. Users that do not have the Silverlight 4 plugin will be prompted to download the plugin from Microsoft. Using the Enhanced or Version Control options, users can now upload a zip file and have it stay a zip file. Prolog users also now have the ability to mass clear all selected files in the file management system. Here's a helpful tip. Create a SQL view used by a view created in Prolog Converge that will show file version control information in one place, such as what we did here under Insight Administration, where we created a Converge view file status grouped by project that displays the file name, file status, who the file is checked out to, the version number, and the revision date. For more information on creating views, subscribers can catch the lessons working with views and creating views in the Prolog Converge admin chapter on the Project Team Training site at www.projectteamtraining.com. URL links. On the Files tab, the ability to link a URL to a Prolog record is now available. List views. All list views in Prolog Converge have been enhanced to support user-defined settings that include grouping, sort order, column order, and column sizing. These personalized settings are maintained at the user level. Looking at the RFI All view, for example, users can drag and drop a column header to group by that column. Author company, for example, is as simple as dragging that column to the Group By box. Likewise, columns can be repositioned or resized to the user's liking. Personalized settings can be reset back to default by selecting the Reset Layout button on the toolbar. On the technical side of this feature, these user-specific settings are kept in the Prolog Converge database User List Info table. The RFI and Drawing Packages Collaboration tabs and Submittal Packages Reviewer tab now come with the ability to link files or URLs to an individual row in the grid. Report Manager Options. The Report Manager Options tab has been added to Prolog Converge. Report options in Converge are independent of Prolog Manager report options. Where Prolog Manager report options are kept in the registry for that logged on domain user, Prolog Converge report options are kept in the Prolog Converge database, Prolog Report Options table. Report Folder Nomenclature. Report folder nomenclature is now supported on the third level. System, Cost Control, Budget for example. Because Prolog Converge reports are not in a project-specific location, only folder nomenclature changes on the portfolio level are displayed. Here is an example where we change the portfolio form nomenclature from budget to budget code. As a result, the budget form now reads budget code. When expanding System, Cost Control in Prolog Converge, the folder nomenclature now displays budget code. Logins. Support for the admin user has been added to Prolog Converge. Users with the admin authority and the built-in admin account can now log on to Prolog Converge as admin. Project Summary Nomenclature. Project Summary Nomenclature for forms displayed on the dashboard can now be updated using Converge lookup list Prolog document types. In our example, we are going to change meetings to meeting minutes and RFIs to requests for information. With a reconfigure of the business layer, let's see what this looks like on the project dashboard. The form nomenclature now displays meeting minutes instead of meetings and requests for information instead of RFIs. Send feature. Include attachments. When using the Send wizard to send a report from an open record that has one or more attachments, the report wizard will allow you to select those attachments to be included in the email along with the record. The Attachments tab will be available when there is one or more attachments to the record. This feature is similar to the File Send Current Record feature in Prolog Manager and must have the portfolio-specific option Email Linked Files set to Yes.